I'm Engine Alcantara. Today I discuss MARPOL Annex 6. MARPOL Annex 6, adopted in 1997 and enforced in 2005, focuses on preventing air pollution from ships. This annex sets strictly regulations to limit harmful emissions from ships, specifically target sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, ozone-depleting substances, and volatile organic compounds. This report outlines the key requirements ships must meet under MARPOL Annex 6. Emission Control Areas or ECAS. MARPOL Annex 6 designated specific areas known as emission control areas where stricter controls apply due to their sensitivity to pollutions. These areas include the Baltic Sea, the North Sea, the North American ECAS, and the United States Caribbean Sea. With ECAS, ships must meet more stringent emission limits for nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxide. Sulfur content limits. Annex 6 imposes limit on the sulfur content of fuel oil used on board ships to reduce sulfur oxide emissions. The global limit is 0.50 mass by mass, while ECAS require much lower limit of 0.10 mass by mass %. Ship can comply with these limits by using low sulfur fuel or by installing exhaust gas cleaning system or scrubbers to remove sulfur from the exhaust gases. Nitrogen oxide emission limits. Annex 6 set limits on nitrogen oxide emission from marine diesel engine based on their power output and installation date. Engines are categorized into tires, Tier 1, 2, and 3, with increasingly stringent limits. Tier 3 limits apply in ECAS and require ships to use advanced emission control technologies to meet the stricter standards. Energy efficiency measures. Annex 6 incorporates energy efficiency measures to reduce greenhouse gas emission from ships. These measures include Energy Efficiency Design Index or EEDI. This index sets targets for the energy efficiency of new ships, requiring them to meet specific design standards to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. Ship Energy Efficiency Management Plan. Ship must develop and implement a SEMP outlining operational measures to improve energy efficiency and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Energy Efficiency Existing Ship Index. This index applies to existing ships, requiring them to achieve a specific energy efficiency level based on their size and type. Annual Operational Carbon Intensity Indicator. This indicator measures a ship's carbon intensity or CO2 emissions per unit of transport work. Ships are assigned a rating A to E based on their SII with 4 ratings, triggering corrective actions to improve their carbon footprint. Record keeping. Ship must maintain detailed records of their fuel consumption, emission control measures, and other relevant information related to MARPOL Annex 6 compliance. These records are subject to inspection by port state control and enforcement and penalties. Port state control authorities enforce compliance with Annex 6. Non-compliant can result in significant penalties, including detention of the vessel. MARPOL Annex 6 play a crucial role in reducing air pollution from ships, contributing to cleaner air, healthier ecosystem, and a more sustainable maritime industry. Ships must adhere to strict emission limits, implement energy efficiency measures, maintain accurate records, and ensure their equipment is properly maintained and operated. Compliance with Annex 6 is essential for protecting the environment and meeting global decarbonization goal. Thank you.